Hello, this is Paul Gibson with the Academy of Trading and Investing. We're back today to talk about our textbook, Notes from a Profitable Investor, Chapter 1, to give you some additional insights. Today's lesson really is about rule number 2, how to watch the market or how to know the market. The same technology one would use to analyze a stock can be used to assess the market. We can use technical analysis. We have several chapters coming up about technical analysis, so stay tuned. Fundamental analysis. We also have a chapter or two on fundamental analysis. Both of these are ways of looking at the market so we can understand it better. These techniques can also be used to analyze individual stocks. We also want to watch the media. I don't mean ABC News or MSNBC or CNN, but CNN, MarketWatch.com, Morningstar.com, Economics.com. Those are 3 examples of websites where we might glean information from reliable sources to find out what the market really is doing. For example, we have 3 sets of analysis tools here. This one is the Dow Jones Industrial Index, which comprises the 30 largest stocks on the stock market. This is the S&P 500 index, the 500 largest stocks in the market. And this is the Russell 2000 index, which includes 2,000 of the largest stocks on the market. You can see they're somewhat similar, but there's also some differences here. And we'll learn how to read all these squiggly lines as we go forward to interpret what the market is telling us or what the index is telling us. So what is your plan? How does the market match your vision and goals? What are you trying to accomplish? How do we change our strategies or tools or ideas on how to match market conditions? Once again, to become confident and competent, we want to practice. And we do this with market data as well as individual stock data. We can watch the statistics as well, the jobs report or unemployment. Perhaps we can watch industrial or corporate income. We also can watch for government changes in taxes, tariffs, import-export rules, etc., and how the government is regulating business. We can also watch what the pundits are saying. As I mentioned, great resources like Morningstar or CNN, MarketWatch.com, or perhaps Economics.com, or several of the other websites that are great sources of information. The pundits may also give us some ideas by their commentary about what the market is happening. We want to always be swimming in market data and market knowledge so we can get a good feel for what's happening in the market. That will just give us a better opportunity and better understanding to investing. As we do this, we can make notes in our journal. This could be a market index with some indications of what our thinking is and our analysis. We might also make notes over here about fundamental analysis or what the pundits are saying. This is a great way to keep track of the market by writing things down. It also helps us think things through to help us understand the market better. So let's keep our plan simple. Watch for the rules in our plan to make sure that our analysis of the market is indicating what we should do with individual stocks as well. It is possible that your stock analysis may be different than your market analysis, but generally speaking, stocks are going to follow the general market. Contrarian stocks do not often do that, but it's rare to find a contrarian stock. And you'll know it when you find it because it is very contrary to the market. So once again, this is Paul Gibson with the Academy of Trading and Investing. There will be many opportunities in the future. If you would like to be prepared, get educated now. For help in studying these concepts and investing techniques, check out www.academyofti.org. We're here to help. There's a lot of great information there, videos and articles to help you get educated about how to invest in the market. We're using Notes from a Profitable Investor as our text. It's also available on Amazon.com and Amazon Kindle. We'll look forward to talking with you in our next lesson.